Hello guys, welcome back. In this logical programming video tutorial, we are gonna learn how we can find the smallest element in an array. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you that what are the steps that we need to follow for find the smallest element. So these are the only three steps mainly. So first we need a loop for the length of the array. Let's say we have a 10 element, then we have to make a loop up to the 10 elements. Then we have to swipe the elements inside the loop. Let's say first in the first two elements is the first element is smallest, then we have to swipe it with the second element. And if the first element is not small, then we don't need to do something with this loop, and that's it. And after the array we can check the value, last value, we will find the smallest value. Now let's understand the very small example. So inside the script, I am going to this program into the JavaScript and this is the very similar in the old programming language, because this is all about the logic, not about the any by default function. So let's get started. So I have a function, let's say I have an array arr, and it have, let's say, some elements like 3, 5, 9, 1, 4 and many more, let's say 8 and all. Alright, so now first of all what I need to do, I need a for loop which is start from the I equal to 0 and I less than array dot length. That means it will go up to the 3, 4, 5, 6 6 up to the loop. So then you can use I plus plus simply. Alright, so I'm going to take one more variable which is the temp. Let's say temp equal to 0. Alright, so what I'm going to do here, so first of all I'm going to check that if r I is smaller than r I plus 1, then what we need to do, first of all we need to do store the temp, store the next value inside the temp. Alright, and after that in the same variable we can store our current value, so that we can push it up to the one length ago, and so that we can find the last value is highest, smallest. Alright, so we need to get back our the current I is equal to temp, so that we are not losing our array any elements. Alright, so now what it will going to do, it will store the highest number into the current array and the smallest number to the next array, and at the last we will go to the smallest number. Alright, so here I'm going to write the document dot write, and I'm going to use the array, and here I'm going to use the array dot length minus 1. Array dot length is 6th and minus 1. Why? Because array always starting with the 0. So now let's check. Now you can find that we have a minimum value is 1, and in array we got the minimum value is 0. So let's say I'm going to put here 0, then let's see the result. Now you got the 0. So let's say if I have the 10 and let's say 15, then the smallest element array smallest element is 2. Now let's see if we got the 2. Alright, so this is the very small example, and I think we can say that it's a very simple example of how we can find the smallest element in an array. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for videos like this. we can say that the logical videos always. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.